tutorial on how to make your Nokia repaired. If you have a Nokia like this, then don't worry. I'm gonna show you today how to repair this very broken and still useful Nokia. Step 1, tape. Step 2, cover your Nokia with the tape. Step 3, spray on the Nokia some glue. Step 4, put on this thingy. Step 5, spray some more glue. Step 6, put on a screen. And finally, step 7. So the thingies come good together. Let's repair it. And now, turn it on. If it doesn't work, just buy a new one. And your Nokia is repaired.